So what if I told you that you could make animated videos without touching a camera, without editing, and without needing any animation skills at all? Yeah, sounds a little crazy, right? But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using completely free AI tools. No subscriptions, no expensive software, and absolutely no editing experience needed. All right, let's jump right in. First, we need an image to animate. And no, you don't have to draw anything yourself. We're going to generate it using AI, completely free. Here's what I did. I went to Leonardo.AI. It's totally free. Just click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Image and set it up like this. Set the preset to Flux Dev. Turn off Prompt Enhance. Choose the dynamic style. And for image dimensions, select Custom and set it to fit TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Then type in a detailed prompt describing exactly what kind of image you want. For example, I wrote, a teenage girl wearing headphones sitting on a rooftop at sunset, glowing city skyline in the background, anime style. Then I hit generate. And within a few seconds, I had a bunch of stunning images to choose from. I picked the one I like most and downloaded it. Let's try another prompt just to give you more ideas. A wizard casting a glowing blue spell in a forest at night. Cinematic lighting. You can be as specific as you want. The more detail you add, the better the results. Once you've got your image, it's time to animate it. Now we head over to a site called Magi.Sand.AI. This is where the real magic happens. You upload your image, tell it what you want the image to do, and it turns that still picture into a moving video clip. So I went to the site, signed up using my email, you can use Google too, and it gave me 500 free credits to get started. Once you're in, click on the Canvas tab, then Create New Project. You'll see two options, one to upload from your device and another to choose from your assets. Since I didn't have anything in my assets yet, I chose the first option and uploaded the image I just generated. Once the image was on the screen, I moved it to the center for a proper view. Then I clicked the little plus icon on the corner of the image, which opened up the animation panel. Here's where you type in a short prompt describing the animation. For my rooftop scene, I wrote something simple to bring it to life. Keep your prompts short, natural, and easy to understand. You'll also notice a duration setting. You can set your clip to last anywhere from 3 to 10 seconds. Just remember, each second uses 10 credits, so a 3-second clip costs 30 credits. The plus icon beside it lets you extend your video so you can give a new prompt to the same image and create a new action. There are also options for high quality and enhanced prompts. Just leave those on, they help smooth out the motion and add extra detail. Once everything looks good, hit Generate. It'll take a few seconds to process and then your animation will be ready to preview. And honestly, it's impressive. It looks like something from a short film. If you like the result, click Download and save your clip. Now, if you want to create a full sequence, like a mini story or scene, just repeat the process. Right-click on the canvas, upload your next image, add a new animation prompt, and generate the next clip. You can animate as many scenes as you want this way. Everything you upload stays saved in your Assets tab, so you can reuse characters or backgrounds without needing to re-upload. Now there's just one small thing. Your clips will have a watermark, but don't worry, removing it is super easy. I've got two methods you can use. Let's start with the first one. Head over to Superwork.AI, sign in with your Google account and claim your daily free coin. Then click on Free AI Tools, choose AI Removal and select Video Watermark Remover. Upload your video file, and once it's uploaded, use the highlight brush to paint over the watermark area. Click Confirm, then Create. It might say it'll take a few minutes, but honestly, most of the time it's done in under 2. In my case, the generation failed due to a poor internet connection, but usually it works great. When it finishes, just click the download button to save your video, completely watermark free. Now let's move on to my preferred method, CapCut. Once you've animated all your clips and removed any watermarks, it's time to bring everything together using CapCut. Open the app and import everything you'll be using, clips, voiceovers, background music, whatever you've got. Drag your clips onto the timeline, add your background music, and drop in your voiceover if you have one. Adjust the volume of both your music and voiceover so everything blends well. To remove the watermark using CapCut, click on Text and choose Default Text. Stretch that text to cover your entire clip, then change the text to your channel name, or any name you prefer. Scroll down and choose the background style you want. Pick a background color, adjust the text size, and drag the text box to neatly cover the watermark. Just make sure it lines up well and covers everything cleanly. And that's it. You've got a fully animated video, done without a camera, without animation software, and without spending a dime. It's simple, fast, and honestly one of the easiest ways to bring your creative ideas to life, even if you've never edited a video before. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more free AI tools, reviews, and easy tutorials like this. Let me know what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative. I'll see you in the next one.